Introduction. Have you ever wondered if you can actually get paid doing what makes you happy? In today's fast-paced world, aligning your work with your personal happiness is more important than ever. When you pursue a career that resonates with your passions, not only do you enhance your overall well-being, but you also unlock a world of opportunities. Imagine waking up excited for the day ahead, fueled by the joy of doing what you love. This video will explore the incredible benefits of passion-driven careers, from increased motivation to greater job satisfaction. Join us as we dive into inspiring stories and practical tips that can help you turn your dreams into a rewarding reality. Understanding happiness in work. Happiness in the workplace goes beyond just a cheerful atmosphere. It encompasses personal fulfillment and a sense of purpose in what you do. In the context of work, happiness means finding joy and satisfaction in your daily tasks, which can significantly impact productivity and overall job satisfaction. When employees feel fulfilled, they are more engaged, motivated, and likely to contribute positively to their teams. Careers in fields like teaching, counseling, and the arts are often associated with high levels of happiness, as they allow individuals to express their passions and make a difference in others' lives. Understanding this connection can inspire you to seek a career that truly resonates with your values and aspirations. Identifying your passion. Discovering your passions starts with self-reflection. Take some time to think about what truly makes you happy. What activities make you lose track of time? Journaling can be a powerful tool for this, allowing you to explore your thoughts and feelings. Additionally, consider trying out new hobbies or volunteering in different fields to see what resonates with you. Tools like personality assessments or passion quizzes can also provide valuable insights. Remember, aligning your passions with your career choices is crucial for long-term satisfaction and success. When you pursue a path that excites you, work becomes more than just a job. It transforms into a fulfilling journey that enriches your life. Monetizing your passion. Turning your passions into profitable ventures is an exciting journey that can lead to both fulfillment and financial success. There are various career paths to explore, such as freelance writing, photography, or even starting a YouTube channel focused on your interests. Many successful individuals, like Marie Forleo and Gary Vaynerchuk, have transformed their passions into thriving businesses, proving that it's possible to earn a living doing what you love. However, it's essential to conduct market research and understand your audience's needs to ensure your venture resonates with them. By identifying gaps in the market and tailoring your offerings, you can create a sustainable income stream while pursuing your passions. Challenges and considerations. While pursuing happiness in work is rewarding, it comes with its own set of challenges. Common obstacles include financial instability and the fear of leaving a secure job to chase a passion. It's crucial to consider your financial situation and job security before making any drastic changes. To overcome these challenges, start by creating a solid plan that includes a budget and a timeline for transitioning into your passion-driven career. Networking with others in your desired field can provide valuable insights and support. Additionally, consider starting your venture as a side hustle to test the waters while maintaining your current job. With careful planning and perseverance, you can navigate these challenges successfully. Success stories. Inspiring success stories abound of individuals who get paid doing what they love across various fields. Take the artist who turned a passion for painting into a thriving gallery, overcoming initial rejections and financial struggles to showcase their work. In technology, a software developer transitioned from a corporate job to create apps that reflect their interests, facing challenges, but ultimately finding fulfillment. In sports, a former athlete became a coach, sharing their passion while navigating the ups and downs of the competitive world. Each of these individuals demonstrates that pursuing happiness not only enhances their careers, but also significantly improves their overall well-being, proving that passion can lead to a rewarding life. Conclusion. In summary, aligning your work with personal happiness is essential for a fulfilling life. We've explored how discovering your passions, monetizing them, and learning from success stories can lead to a rewarding career. Remember, Taking actionable steps like self-reflection and market research can help you turn your dreams into reality. Don't hesitate to start small and gradually build towards your goals. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit from this journey. Your engagement helps us create more content that inspires and empowers you to pursue what truly makes you happy. Thank you for watching.